at the Multichain user interface, similar look to Uniswap or 1inch, your simple dexes. What I'm going to be doing, I'm currently on Arbitrum mainnet right now, so I have some Ethereum on here. Just been playing around with it, and what I'm going to be doing is just moving $100 back onto the Ethereum mainnet. And what I'm going to do is head over to CoinGecko, go to the converter, and type in 100 down here. So that'll be 0.08. So I'm going to go back over here. Actually, you know what? I can just copy this. Let's do this, and then paste it in here. And as you see, the reduction is just taking a small fee, so very cheap to swap. So I'm gonna hit swap. Estimate time arrival 3 to 30 minutes. Usually for me, when I tried it the first time, it was around like 15 minutes. Very simple. And so I submitted the transaction using my Brave wallet. So now it's currently functioning right now. So it's going to be moving $100 of Ethereum on Arbitrum onto the Ethereum mainnet. That'll be our complete bridging process. And I'm going to come back to y'all once this process is finished so y'all can see the proof that, hey, everything just swapped. All right, so coming back to the transaction details, everything has been a success. That was literally like 10 minutes. So we can actually go to the transaction hash just for verification purposes. And like I said, transaction action, withdraw the reduction amount of Ethereum from Arbitrum via Multichain with transaction. This is the Arbitrum network on Arbiscan, and here's the Arbiscan transaction details. As you see, status success, transaction hash, multi-chain, router v6, check. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, I'm gonna be posting more videos every Wednesday. I know we have Chainlink staking coming up, so let me know in the community section. I will be posting to interact with my subscribers. Let me know in the community section. So we can go back to our Brave wallet here and just switch back to the Ethereum mainnet. And clear as day, you see the $100 back on the Ethereum mainnet. Simple as that. Until next time, this is Oliver and I'm signing out.